a beautiful mind. Thank you.
Good morning to all. My name is Munha Fatima. I am studying first standard. Quran. சபிக்கப்பட்ட சைத்தானை தீங்கை விட்டு அல்லாஹ்விற்கு பாதுகாப்பு தேடுகிறேன். நன்றி. Good morning to all. My name is Shalvi Yutin. I am studying first standard. Weekend, Customer Ideas Officer, Secretary, Lab City of India, Kolkata, Electronic City of India, Bangalore. Thank you. Good morning to all. My name is K. Hari. I am studying first standard. Opposite, Yoli, friend, enemy, happy, sad, rich, poor, friend, enemy, happy, sad, rich, poor. Thank you. Morning to all. My name is Yama Leslie. I am studying first standard. Simple past tense, irregular verbs, tell, told, see, saw, buy, got, win, won, you, gave. Thank you. Morning to all. My name is Mercy. I study first standard. Yes, sir. Always here. Every year is the meaning. அப்பே முடியும் புரிய கர்த்தா ஆவோ. Thank you. Good morning to all. My name is Biyani. I am studying first standard. பொன்முருகன் உனக்கு தேவையான வழிகள் உனக்குள்ளே உள்ளது. Thank you. Good morning to all. My name is M. Naveen Kumar. I am studying first standard. Inventor, aeroplane, light colors, lift. Is you okay? Agambar, computer, duster, bicycle, Macmillan, telephone, Agambar. Thank you.